Welcome to Zia, where we aim to break the language barrier and open the heart of listeners to soulful writing and renditions. Today, we bring to you a Punjabi song, Shikra Yar, written by Shiv Kumar Batalvi. Thank you, Pranav, for recommending. It was a pleasure to explore Batalvi's poetry. Shiv Kumar Batalvi is one of the top modern Punjabi poets. He shot to fame in Indian Punjab's literary world with his poems, ghazals, and songs in the brief period between 1960 and 1967, at which time he became the youngest writer to receive the prestigious Indian National Literary Award, Sahitya Kala Akademi Award. His unique choice of words and the vibrant colors of his imagery won him thousands of Punjabi speaking fans from the 1960s and onwards. Contradictions ruled his life. He was named Birha Ka Sultan by Amrita Pritam. Yet, his poetry is broadly placed under literary movement of Romanticism. Critics and contemporaries call him a modern poet, but his language was rooted in tradition. He never completed his degree, yet, at 28, he was the youngest recipient of Sahitya Academy Award. From Patwari to banker, he dabbled in various professions, yet, the world knows him as a poet, author, and playwright. In his brief life, he died at the age of 36. Even shorter as a writer, Shiv Kumar Batalvi defied definitions and conventions alike. Talking about his short life, it seems he wanted a short life and also wrote these beautiful lines. Asada joban rute marna, joban rute jovi marda, full bane ya tara, joban rute ashik marde, ya koi karma wala. I will die young. One who dies young becomes a flower or a star. Only lovers die young, or someone who's extremely lucky. Batalvi's poems and work reflect a lover's agony and a wish to die young. His work and charisma will always remain. Many renowned singers have sung his poems. The list includes renowned singers like Jagjit Singh, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, Rabi Shergill, Didar Singh Pardesi, Surinder Kaur, and many more. He will always be remembered for his great work and contribution to the world of Punjabi poetry. Coming back to Shikra Yar, it is said that the poem was written by Shiv when he learned about his girlfriend who got married to someone else. However, in one of very few interview recordings available on net with BBC Hindi, Shiv denied the fact that he ever lost in love. On the contrary, he said that he has received a lot of love in his life and was not able to give it back as he never fell in love with one person. Here's the beautiful song, Shikra Yar. माए नी माए मैं एक शिकरा यार बनाया ओदे सिर ते कलगी ते ओदे पैरी झांझर ओ चोग चुगिंदा आया. Mother, I have befriended a hawk with a crest on her head and anklets on her feet. She came pecking for grains. Shikra, baz, is one of the commonest hunting bird in India. Its name has been derived from Urdu and Hindi word shikari, means hunter. Shikra feeds on lizards, geckos, and small birds, nestlings and eggs, bats, rodents, frogs, and insects. It generally hunts to eat and rarely takes a dead bird. Jhanjar would be anklet that might be worn by a woman, while a kalgi would generally be an adornment for a man, as an ornamentation on a turban. The fact that these two images are put together seems to support the idea of a kind of ambiguously gendered love object. माए नी माए मैं एक शिकरा यार बनाया, ਉਹਦੇ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਕਲਗੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਪੈਰੀ ਝਾਂਜਰ, ਉਹ ਚੋਗ ਚੁਗੀਂਦਾ ਆਇਆ। ਇੱਕ ਉਹਦੇ ਰੂਪ ਦੀ ਧੁੱਪ ਤਿਖੇਰੀ, ਦੂਜਾ ਮਹਿਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਤਿਰਹਾਇਆ, ਤੀਜਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਗੁਲਾਬੀ, ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਗੋਰੀ ਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਾਇਆ। Firstly, her beauty is radiant as sunlight. Secondly, smelling as if immersed in perfume. Thirdly, her skin color, that of rose, must be child of a fair mother. Such a lovely description of beloved's beauty. ਇੱਕ ਉਹਦੇ ਰੂਪ ਦੀ ਧੁੱਪ ਤਿਖੇਰੀ, ਦੂਜਾ ਮਹਿਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਤਿਰਹਾਇਆ, ਤੀਜਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਗੁਲਾਬੀ, ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਗੋਰੀ ਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਾਇਆ। ਇਸ਼ਕੇ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਪਲੰਗ ਨਿਵਾਰੀ, ਅਸਾਂ ਚਾਨਣੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਇਆ, ਤਨ ਦੀ ਚਾਦਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੈਲੀ, ਉਸ ਪੈਰ ਜਾ ਪਲੰਗੇ ਪਾਇਆ। I prepared one bed of love and laid it in the moonlight. Sheet of my body got dirty when her feet touched it. These lines seem to be talking of physical intimacy between lovers. ਇਸ਼ਕੇ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਪਲੰਗ ਨਿਵਾਰੀ, ਅਸਾਂ ਚਾਨਣੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਇਆ, ਤਨ ਦੀ ਚਾਦਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੈਲੀ, ਉਸ ਪੈਰ ਜਾ ਪਲੰਗੇ ਪਾਇਆ। ਦੁੱਖੜ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੈਣਾ ਦੇ ਕੋਏ, ਵਿੱਚ ਹਣ ਹੰਝੂਆਂ ਦਾ ਆਇਆ, ਸਾਰੀ ਰਾਤ ਗਈ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੋਚਾਂ, ਉਸ ਐ ਕੀ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਕਮਾਇਆ। The corners of my eyes hurt. A flood of tears has engulfed me. All night long I tried to comprehend how she did this to me. State of disillusionment, disbelief, and sorrow. ਦੁੱਖਣ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੈਣਾ ਦੇ ਕੋਏ, ਵਿੱਚ ਹਣ ਹੰਝੂਆਂ ਦਾ ਆਇਆ, ਸਾਰੀ ਰਾਤ ਗਈ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੋਚਾਂ, ਉਸ ਐ ਕੀ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਕਮਾਇਆ। ਸੁਬਹ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਲੈਣੀ ਵਟਣਾ, ਅਸਾਂ ਮਲਮਲ ਓਸ ਨਿਭਾਇਆ, ਦੇਹੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਿਕਲਣ ਚਿੰਗਾ, ਤੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਹੱਥ ਗਿਆ ਕੁਮਲਾਇਆ। Early morning, with scrub paste I scrubbed and bathed. Dust exuded from body and my hands got ragged. Here, Shiv seems to be talking about pampering that one does in love. ਸੁਬਹ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਲੈਣੀ ਵਟਣਾ, ਅਸਾਂ ਮਲਮਲ ਓਸ ਨਿਭਾਇਆ, ਦੇਹੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਿਕਲਣ ਚਿੰਗਾ, ਤੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਹੱਥ ਗਿਆ ਕੁਮਲਾਇਆ। ਚੂਰੀ ਕੁੱਟਾਂ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਮਾਸ ਖਵਾਇਆ, ਇੱਕ ਉਡਾਰੀ ਐਸੀ ਮਾਰੀ, ਉਹ ਮੁੜ ਵਤਨੀ ਨਾ ਆਇਆ। I crushed churi, he would not eat it, so I fed him the flesh of my heart, and he took a flight, and such a flight did he take that he never returned. Punjabi churi is a traditional sweet made out of rotis by crumbling and pounding them coarsely and frying them with ghee, sugar, dry fruits, and nuts. This is specially given to young kids in winter season, as ghee is known to warm the body and keep the young ones from catching cold. Here Shiv is talking about the effort and pain that a lover suffers to keep the love alive. But in this case, it seems nothing worked, and one out of the two left forever. ਚੂਰੀ ਕੁੱਟਾਂ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਮਾਸ ਖਵਾਇਆ, ਇੱਕ ਉਡਾਰੀ ਐਸੀ ਮਾਰੀ, ਉਹ ਮੁੜ ਵਤਨੀ ਨਾ ਆਇਆ। ਮਾਏ ਨੀ ਮਾਏ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ਿਕਰਾ ਯਾਰ ਬਣਾਇਆ, ਉਹਦੇ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਕਲਗੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਪੈਰੀ ਝਾਂਜਰ, ਉਹ ਚੋਗ ਚੁਗੀਂਦਾ ਆਇਆ। Thank you for listening.